Hi friends, welcome to Bhavana's Math Heaven, and this is your Ram Narayana. Today our topic is finding unknown frequency when mean of the data is given. Again, mean of the data is given to you, that is 18, and two columns are given to you. One is classes column and another one is frequency column. Among these frequencies, one frequency is not given to you. This is unknown frequency. You have to find its value. So to find the value of f, now I am using direct method. Actually, how many methods are there to find mean? 3 methods are there. Direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Among these 3 methods, whatever the method you can apply. But today I am applying direct method. For direct method, you have to create two columns. One is class mark column, that is xi, and next column is fi xi column. So to create class mark column, you know that class mark or mid value is nothing but the average of lower and upper limit of a class. So take the first class, lower limit is 11, upper limit is 13, and its average 11 plus 13 by 2, that is 24 by 2. 24 by 2 is 12. So first mid value is 12. Later on, check the class size here. All the lower limits are increasing by 2. So class size is 2. So now the class mark of each class increases by 2 obviously. 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. So after writing all the class marks, then find fi xi column. Frequency should be multiplied with its corresponding class mark. 7 into 12, 12 7s 84, 14 6s 84, 16 9s 144, 18 13s 234, f into 20 it becomes 20f, 5 into 22 that is 110, 4 into 24 that is 96. So after completing the last column, now add all fi xi's except 20f. Okay, this is the term having the unknown quantity. Now add the remaining, all are constants, add them, you get 752 and plus 20f is to be written separately. 752 plus 20f, that is sigma fi xi value. And come to frequency column, add all frequencies except f, remaining all constants, so add them, you get 44 and plus the unknown value is f, 44 plus f. So from this data, we get sigma fi xi value as 752 plus 20f and sigma fi value is 44 plus f. Okay, now the information, the main information given to us is mean of the data. Mean of the data is given as 18. What is the formula for mean by direct method? That is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi value is 752 plus 20f and frequency sigma fi is 44 plus f is equals to 18. Now transpose this by term to that side. So by, whenever the by term transposes to right hand side, becomes into 18 times of 44 plus f. Now open this bracket, 18 into 44, you get 792, 18 into f is 18f. Now transpose the similar terms on either side, unknown values to left side and constant values to right side. So keep 20f on left side and bring that 18f to left hand side, it becomes minus 18f. And the constant remaining on right hand side is 792 and transpose 752 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes minus 752. 20f minus 18f is 2f and 792 minus 752 is 40. So from this f equals to transpose into 2 to that side becomes by 2, 40 by 2 is 20. So f value is 20. Got it? This is very important model. Thank you.